tryna in you. You take me so damn high. Sex on ice, biting on my chains, and your car brings my high. That's princess.
Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no. I don't want no bad vibes. I just wanna have a good time. Party up until late night. Nobody gonna tell us no.
Welcome guys, we saying welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Samantha Grace. Get to know. And if you're not new to my channel, your girl is back with another video for you guys today. Now you guys can see by the motherfucking title. Now before I get into this video, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm mad, but I got my energy right now. Usually in the day I'm doing so much stuff, and you know, because of obviously what's going on in the pandemic and stuff, online classes and stuff, so it's a bit mad. So I said let me just do the video now as I got energy. So if I'm talking a bit quiet and my energy is not there, forgive me guys, but I had to do this video for you guys today. I don't want to long it out. But guys, back to the video. So today, as you guys can see by the title, today I'm going to be slaying motherfucking hair guys. So this video is sponsored by Luvme hair. If you guys have not checked them out before, make sure you go check them out. I've done a hair review with this company before, and their hair is bomb. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, so I would recommend you guys to get the hair. So today is actually very different. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, because guys, let's get comfy. Let's just get a bit comfy. This video is very different because it's not even a wig install, frontal install, closure install. It's a headband wig, so it's very different. So I decided, you know what, I might as well show you guys how to do it. I was thinking maybe I should just review it, tell you guys information, but I said I should show you guys how to do it because not many of you guys know how to do it, and this is the first time I'm doing it, so I said why not, you know what I'm trying to say. So as you guys can see, hair from Luvme hair. I can't lie, the box does, it did come a bit damaged though, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys can see that over there, it's like a little dent. I don't know who was delivering my parcel, they kind of battered my parcel. So if you guys do receive it and it's battered, don't feel no type of way. But yeah, you know what I'm trying to say. Let me quickly tell you guys what comes inside. If you guys don't know, I usually do hair reviews guys, so if you don't know, make sure you go check out all my other videos. Most of them I always explain to you guys what's inside, but because this is a headband wig, I feel like I should just let you guys know what's going on. So once you guys open it, on the top of it, it says enjoy your hair journey from now on, from Helena, the founder of Luvme hair. So inside, obviously you get a packet of guys, we're trying out a headband wig. This is the first time, so I'm actually scared, but yeah. So you get the hair in here, you know what I'm trying to say, looking cute, matching my top, wearing a purple bonnet too underneath. Ah girl. Okay, so you got the hair. Why am I revealing myself like that? So you got the hair, you got this cute guys, before, let me leave that till last. You got the wig caps. As I always say guys, every single time you get hair, you're always, most companies would give you a wig cap. Not one wig cap, 2 wig caps. So there's 2 wig caps, which comes inside of the box. You also get this cute little, like a little cute pencil case. I'm trying to say, very exciting. I like the color of it, very fancy. So you got this inside of it. You get like a little, it's like a little mini pencil case, but inside of it you got a wig band, you got bobby pins. They put bobby pins inside. Luvme hair vendor shiny clip, has a hair vendor's name on it. Okay, these are upgraded because fuck. You got, as you guys can see, brush with a comb on it, so that's to like do your edges, I'm guessing. And what else is, what's this? Oh, a headband. Oh, okay, this will be mad because this shit is really be matching my outfit today, so yeah. Okay, and last but not least is you have tweezers. Yes sir. I'm trying to keep this video quick, up to speed. So you know what I'm trying to say, I don't want to long out the whole thing, so I just want to show you what comes inside. as you guys know by now, if you watch my hair reviews, you guys would know refund policy leaflet will come in here. It's literally tells you about how you can refund the hair, how you can contact them, how to care for the wig, how to use your hair, you know what I'm trying to say. So literally all the information is inside the email, all the information, anything you need to know is in this motherfucking leaflet, period. Then in here, this is so cute, guys. This is a whole batch of different wig, obviously because it's a wig band, you guys, I'll show you guys after and let you guys know. But right now inside of here is literally different color wig bands you can put on to change, like if you're gonna switch it up, period. So this one's cute. This one kind of basic what I'm wearing, but I'm feeling this one, I can't lie. I'm really trying to go in my outfit today. But guys, beat how sick this is. Like, you get different ones, like I find that so sick. But yeah, I don't want to take them all out, but there's like different ones. So sick, I can't even lie. But we'll pick this after. I want to get straight into the hair install. So if I'm wrong, I'll put the correct information, but all the information about this hair will be here. So this hair is deep wave, as you guys can see. Comes with the net on it, but I took the net off. This is the wig band, so obviously you guys are probably thinking frontal. It's not a frontal. Literally, as you guys can see, these are the clips that you're going to put around your head, just like that, you know what I'm trying to say. So these are the wig, and then this is the wig band. So I'm going to show you guys. So I already set my hair, guys. Look, I'm really matching with the hairband out here, like, listen. So I already done my hair. I got my actual hair. I'm going to put a wig cap just to look after my. This is a different hair method, so I don't really know how to do it, but I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to show you guys me installing the hair. I do think I'm going to speed up the process, I can't lie. I think I'm probably going to speed up the process, I won't lie to you guys. And then I'll talk to you guys when I'm done installing the hair. But yeah, I say I'm just going to put this over just to protect my hair, you know what I'm trying to say. So I'm going to put this on just to protect my hair underneath, just like that. Just like that. So I'm just going to put it like that behind the ear. This on top like that. See guys, just like that. Okay girlfriend. So after that, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your wig just like this. Now this is gonna be mad. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put on like a normal wig. So I'm literally folding the band back just so I can see what I'm working with. So literally you're gonna put the wig on your head. And I'm going to get the front of it. Literally, you wouldn't even be able to know, like you can know because I feel like it's very, very thin in the front. But yeah, look, I just love the edges. But yeah, I'm very much of a side parting person. But yeah, I really like the colours. It's cute. I feel like it's a very nice, cute, natural type of look. What I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, I could even put it up though. Do like half up, half down. If I wanted to. But yeah, I just like the messy look. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I feel like you guys are just gonna see me keep tackling my hair. But you guys get the point and get what I'm trying to say. But yeah, that's how you install the hair. Quick and simple. Like, you just need to go shop or something. You don't want to do your edges, you know what I'm trying to say. Put it on your slade. Like, it's actually mad. quick and simple. But yeah, I'm very much of a side parting person, especially when it comes to curly hair. I do like it very voluminous. Let's have a look. I'm talking about. Literally. But yeah, guys, this is kind of the look. Let me just show you guys the headband, you know, just in case you're thinking, oh, you know, I'm gonna try a headband. Okay, because I'm wearing this outfit, I'm feeling like this is it. So it's twisted, so I'm guessing, I don't know how it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to be like that. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this on top of my head. Just gonna put it behind. Gonna just put this. Trying to be careful on my edges because my hair is very much afro-y. Like, already just to do this, I was even surprised that my edges could even do this. So yeah, even just doing this, like, this is so cute. Like simple, easy to go hairstyle, bro. Like, listen, whether your mind's picking you up, yeah, and you took cute, like, not even cute, like just a quick go-to hairstyle, like anything you need to do, whether it's going education, going to work, I definitely recommend this hairstyle because it's so simple and you can do so much with it. Like, even if you want to put it in a ponytail, even if you want to just leave it out. But yeah, guys, I don't want to make this video so long. As I said, middle parting is more of my type of shit still. But yeah, guys, I feel like that's the end of this video. I just want to quickly show you guys how I styled this headband wig, and I'm even surprised that I didn't think it actually look all right, you know. It's a surprise still, can't lie. But yeah, I don't really know how I want it. I'm very fussy. Like, I just need to, as I said, I'm more of a middle parting, but I feel like I need to spend some time working on the side parting. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just want to quickly show you guys how to install the headband wig and, you know, what to do it, how to style it. You know what I'm trying to say? My hair is very much natural. I'm going to show you guys a video here again just so you guys can see. My hair is very much natural, and yeah, like, literally, if you guys want to know what gel I used or whatever, let me know down in the comments and I'll let you guys know. Yeah, so I just want to quickly show you guys how to install this hair, how quick and easy it is, guys. Like, this didn't take me, you guys saw how quick it was. Like, I'm even going to be surprised of how long this video is going to be. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe in editing, send whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and suggest this video to somebody you think, you know, they take so long with their hair, you want to recommend something nice. They do have different textures as well, so hopefully I'll be trying out different textures for you guys. But I felt like this is very much natural. It's very short, you know what I'm trying to say. It looks very much realistic, so you know what I'm trying to say. But yeah, guys, so if you do feel like you recommend this hair to somebody, share this video, guys. I definitely recommend this hair. The curls are really cute. This is deep wave, and yeah, if you're going for a natural look, then I definitely recommend this hair to you guys. But yeah, guys, that's it. Don't want to keep waffling. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know, things and whatever. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Let me tell you something. I'm your Bonnie and my Clyde. We can take a flight to Miami.